Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'll be installing my knockoff tire of Baja Pro X. They're knockoff from Amazon. Paid 30 bucks for 4 of them. I'll be installing those on those rims. The Injora rims, 1.9, all aluminum. So, hope you enjoy, guys. Pretty soft. I get the foam inside. Really stiff. Hope they perform okay. I hope so. Wait. There we go. They're all mounted. All mounted. Got 2 on one side, 2 on the other. So I'm all set. Let's install them on the truck now. Weighed the rim before I put them on, and I totally forgot. So we're gonna weight the whole wheel to see how much it weighs. So now it's in it's in grams. So we'll put it in ounces. So one tire with the rim, it's 6.634 ounces. So add 4 times like that. So that would be the weight of the 4 wheels. Grams. An ounce, I mean. So gives it more weight. Hope you enjoy, guy, and if you think it looks great, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and hit that bell for the notification. Thanks for watching.